Welcome everyone. We will trading on binary option today. We going on to digital because today we got a lot of percentage in profit is 95%, but don't be exciting over this 95% because most of the very super high profit percentage in return, those are the very risky also in the trading. But the most importantly, use your risk management on your own. Okay, don't going so big into the amount of your deal because something losing can happen and you can lose your trade also. So today I will trade onto support and resistance, and also we'll check at the rejection price level also. So when the candle can stay so steady and stable more than 3 seconds, I can say 5 seconds, so this is a very stable price. So I mean the price is really stable into this level, so we will wait for which going to win. When the price can hold more than 20 seconds and then the price start to move up and the candle is very strong, then it means the bullish is going to take power into the next one. But we need this candle to be higher than this one, like over 50% of the previous candle. This is the sign of reversal, like this one. This is the sign of reversal. Now it's engulfed, and that's also the sign of reversal. So we will go our first day here onto the bullish, because this is the sign of a reversal. It's really stable onto this level, support level, and then the price gradually growing and pushing the price to get higher and higher. So this is the sign of a very strong and stable bullish. Okay, we will see. Sometimes the price start to reject when it stays so close to the resistance. Okay, we'll see on this one if we are right, because I believe that it should be like more onto bullish. But now I'm afraid that it's a reject at this level. That is very risky deal. When they reject at this level, you can lose your trade very quickly. Okay, so the price can hold there very steady. So we went on to our first deal. Okay, let's try one more time. Again, we will look into our rejection area at the resistance. Earlier, we look at to support. When they are coming into the support, the price very steady, very hold, and then gradually push the price upward very strongly. And after that, because the entry is good, then we are lucky at this one. Now they start to reject, and this pretty close here. They are coming very strong back, but we need this candle to over this, around this level, so it will tell us about the potential of reversal. But if the price still not coming down lower, then it's not. Now the bullish still take control with the volume, with the candle, everything. This is the signs of the bullish. It stay close to the rejection of the resistance level, and also still very close to this rejection level. So things can happen around this level. So when it can stay more than 3 seconds at this level, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it means really strong onto bullish. Now it's gradually drop, then it means the bear start to take powers. It's gradually drop. We need it to drop further. We want this candle to be bearish. We don't want it to be bullish. If you want to trade on to bearish onto the next one. So let's go to the last trade of the day, $62. 62, so that we can round up our trade at $5,100. So we wait for that rejection happen at this resistance level. We don't see any sign of rejection. The price very stable and steady. It can hold at the same level more than 20 seconds now. Steady and hold more than 20 seconds, and then it's gradually moving up, even up and up, and they can stay, hold, like you take a deep breath and you hold. So that is the signs of strong bullish. Take a deep breath and hold. They can hold there. There's no signs of drop. We don't see any gradually drop. We see very steady, very hold. So this is a strong bullish ones too. It can go into bullish for sure. I'm not sure because sometimes they take argument around this area. So we will see this area if they can hold very long too, 10 seconds. So the price gradually moving up, and they can stay more than 10 seconds. So this is a very strong bullish for sure. No rejection sign, no rejection. I see the price will be able to move upward. They are very steady, very strong, and hold into very same level since the start of the candle, and they gradually going up. So I can see that the bullish really take place into this area. They really like dominance the market into like even further into up. But wow, okay. Very close to lost, but actually guys, we are winning at this area. But anyway, actually I don't want to take entry at this level because I see that it just passed the breaking, like past the resistance level. It just one candle pass, and it's still sometime the fight between the bullish and the bearish will take place after the resistance break. So sometimes I don't really take it, but I can see that the price very steady and very hold, like you can hold your breath like more than 20 seconds to 10 seconds. So the price can still hold into that level. There's no signs of pushing down. When I don't see any signs of pushing down, so this is a very strong trend into a bullish trend, especially it's already break the resistance level, and we can see that the volume is gradually building up more and more, and then we get the price right here, and it's perfect. And the next one, we can see that the signs of shooting star. This is the candle, the signs of a reversal, but it's not really 100% sure that this is going to be a shooting star and this is going to be a reversal just yet, because it stay above the resistance level. When the price staying above the resistance level, and this level is the level that the price can hold, you can hold your breath very long times. So I'm not really sure onto this one. See, you see the price still rejection, and maybe it will reverse back, I don't know. So that's it guys for today's video. I just want to show you how you are trading with support and resistance, and how to hold your breath in every candle. As long as the price can hold very long until like you are about to like out of breath. So it's mean that the price, the direction of moving is really strong. So the longer it's hold, so the stronger the price getting into that level. So that's it guys. So hope you have an amazing day and have a very lucky trade for today.